out here?
Jake.
And what are we doing today, guys?
Skydive.
Jumping out of airplanes with total strangers. You scared, nervous, excited for this?
Excited.
Whose idea was this?
Mine.
Your fault? If this goes wrong, are we celebrating anything?
Yep. Honeymoon.
Really? It's a nice way to kick it off. We're taking the plunge after taking the plunge.
There you go.
Okay. So last words, final comments, confessions before we go do this.
Excited.
Cheers.
Congratulations on getting married. Hopefully we make it to year 1. If we don't, for me it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, burn all, Barrington Desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock the sky and have some fun. There we go. Oh yeah. Woo! You guys ready for this?
Oh yeah.
Get in, get up, get out of this bird, go have some fun in the sky. Y'all are crazy. High five. High five. High five. Woo! Hopefully we make it to year 1. What do you think?
That was crazy.
About to get more crazy.
Yeah?
Pull the right one all the way down.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Whoa. Hands up. Good. Pull the left one down. If you want to. You don't have to.
Sure.
Pull it down.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Hands up.
All the same little things around. Let the airplane as high as all those mountains. Oh my. Stand up. Come on, stand up. I got you. Yeah. Woo! All right, we made it back to the ground. What do you think?
It's crazy.
What do you think?
That was great.
Yeah? Would you guys do that again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Free fall.
What was your favorite part?
Theory.
Yeah, all right, we got best of both worlds. Next time I'll let you open the parachute, just gotta ask me to pull the ball. High five. Out of Colorado Springs. Congrats.
Thank you.
Woo! Looks like we'll probably make it to year 1. Yeah.